Welcome back to Overheat, the Newmar Dutch Star 2026's exterior. Updated design, it's likely that the exterior will get for more cosmetic options. A Morryde tailgate, which offers safer and easier access, is probably going to be standard. Hidden docking lights, which were previously optional, might also be made standard. Windows and awnings, Newmar is likely to continue utilizing frameless double-glazed windows and Girard G2000 side awnings with LED lighting, remote control, and wind sensors for increased privacy and insulation. Interior, Newmar's total comfort system and multiplex lighting will make it easy to operate the motorhome's functions. Entertainment options will include a Bose soundbar, a Wi-Fi booster, a centralized touch command center, and numerous Samsung TVs, a surf-protected transfer switch and a standard 3000W Victron Multiplus. Inverter are likely essential additions. Additionally, a 120W Merlin solar panel might be more efficient. The seats and sofas are ergonomically designed, and the new center console contains a charging station. Kitchen, an efficient induction stove, a full-size refrigerator, and a convection microwave. Bedroom, the back suite features an LED TV and an opulent pillow-top king bed. Entertainment system, the external entertainment center can no longer hear the dash radio. However, the interior has a Bose soundbar, two Samsung TVs, and a 1800 Harman JBL sound system with a subwoofer in the cockpit. An in-dash wireless charger and a Wi-Fi booster are examples of connectivity features. Lighting and controls, the car's amenities are easy to use thanks to the total comfort system and Newmar multiplex lighting, which now has touch screens installed throughout. These days, 360-degree HD camera systems are standard. More efficient is the Merlin 120W solar panel option. The Newmar Dutch Star 2026 is powered by a Cummins diesel engine that generates 450 horsepower and 1,250 pounds-ft of torque.